Here's my honest review of this tankless water heater. I had this water heater for about 3 years now, 2.5, 3 years. It was easy to install for my guy to put it in. One thing I do love about this is when I take a shower and my kids take a shower at the same time, that both of us are receiving hot, warm water at the same time. So this is definitely a great, safe, also a safe space for us in our home. It's safe space in the laundry room where we had a water heater, and now that it's tankless and that we can just put up on top of the wall. This is a great product to purchase and to have and to save space in your home. So I definitely recommend this product.